The plans for the expansion of the terminal building and allied infrastructure of Bagdogra Airport on the outskirts of Siliguri are still pending even after the West Bengal government clearing the decks for its expansion, with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee announcing on September 30th that 104 acres would be handed over to the airport authority for the expansion. Airport officials maintain that they have still not been handed over the land for expansion. The decision to hand over 104 acres for upgradation and modernization was taken at an administrative meeting at Uttar Kanya on September 30th in view of the huge increase in passenger traffic using of the airport. Physically, the land has not been handed over to the Airport Authority of India, so it is not possible to think of starting the expansion work. Precisely 104.65 acres of land was handed over to me in a letter signed by the Chief Secretary after calling me to Uttar Kanya, the branch secretariat of North Bengal, during the CM's visit, said an airport official. Bagdogra Airport Director Subramani P. said that due to the restriction of the flights, the footfall of the passengers has decreased. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday are restricted days. There are only 13 flights each day, while on Monday, Wednesday and Friday we have 29 flights each day. Hence, the footfall of the passengers is more in 3 days. On an average, during the restricted days, around 5,575 passengers pass through the airport, while on non-restricted days, the average passenger count is 8,500. In November, after the relaxation of flights, Bagdogra Airport has recorded a record footfall of 1,67,000 passengers, said Subramani. More passengers would use the airport if the restrictions on the 4 days in a week were withdrawn.